Right now, preparations are underway for former President Donald Trump to make his first appearance in a federal courtroom in Miami. He faces a 37-count federal indictment for allegations he willfully took classified documents after leaving the White House.
Ahead of the court appearance, Miami officials are ramping up security while the former president calls for peaceful protests. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest from Washington.
Former President Donald Trump arriving in Miami today ahead of his historic initial appearance in federal court tomorrow on charges he illegally took classified national security documents when he left the White House and conspired with an aide to hide them from investigators as the former president calls for protests.
They have to go out and they have to protest peacefully.
Security is ramping up at the courthouse.
Believe that people should have the right to express themselves. But we also believe in law and order.
On the campaign trail over the weekend, former President Trump calling himself the victim of a political prosecution.
This vicious persecution is a travesty of justice.
While slamming the special counsel in charge who insists
we have one set of laws in this country and they apply to everyone.
The 37-count indictment accuses the former president of storing highly sensitive materials, including on the nation's nuclear programs, in unsecured boxes in a bathroom and on a ballroom stage at Mar-a-Lago, showing them to people on 2 occasions and defying the government's efforts, including a subpoena to get them back. The former president's ex-attorney general weighing in.
If even half of it is true, then he's toast.
2024 Republican rivals and GOP lawmakers largely standing by Mr. Trump, pointing to President Biden's ongoing documents investigation.
The idea of equal justice is not playing out here.
While legal analysts stress there's a key difference in the Trump case.
It's the refusal to give them back. It's the obstruction.
As the unprecedented allegations roil the political landscape, security officials bracing for a first-of-its-kind courtroom appearance. Former President Trump will likely go through the normal steps of being fingerprinted, having his photo taken, and then be released with conditions. He's planning a speech and fundraiser back in New Jersey tomorrow night. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.